Arithmetical operations with significant figures. Addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, the final result should retain as many decimal places as there are in the number with the smallest number of decimal places. So, while performing addition and subtraction in problems, the final result should have as many decimal places as there in the number with the smallest number of decimal places. That is, we should have what? The final result as the number of decimal places in the data. That is the smallest number of decimal places in the data. Now here you can see the example. Here it is 3.1 plus 1.780 plus 2.046. The first number is having only one decimal point. The second number is having three decimal points. The fourth and the third number is having three decimal points. So suppose when we add it, we are getting it as 6.926. Now, this result should have the least number of decimal points. What is the least number of decimal points here? It is only one decimal point. So your answer should also have the least number of decimal points. So we have to round it off to the least number of decimal points. So here you have to round it off 2 and 6. So here the number to be rounded off is less than 5. So the previous digit, that is the preceding digit, can be left unchanged. So it is 6.9. Now here in this number, if you can take 12.637 minus 2.42. So if you subtract, we are getting 10.217. But the least number of digit here is, decimal digit here is 2. This is having 3 digits and this is having 2 digits. But your answer should contain only 2 digits. So we have to round it off. So while we are rounding off, you have to see the next number. Here the next number is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the preceding digit. So it is 10.22. This is in the case of what? Addition and subtraction. Now what is in the case of multiplication and division? In multiplication or division, the final result should retain as many significant figures as there are in the original number with smallest number of significant figures. We have to retain as many significant figures as in the original number. So here we are having 1.21 multiplied by 36.72. Now if you're multiplying, what we are getting here is, we are getting 44.4312. So what is the least number of significant digits? Here this number is having 3 digits. This number is having 4 digits. So our answer should have 3 significant digits. So we have to round it off to 3 significant digits. So we have to see the fourth number. The fourth number is greater than, less than 5. So we have to write the preceding number just like that. So we are rounding off it as what? 44.4. Now here you can see 36.72 divided by 1.2. So what you are getting is, the answer you are getting is 30.6. But how many significance or digits are there? There in the first number it is 4. The second number it is 2. So your answer should be 2. So it should be rounded off. So after the decimal point, the number is 6. It is greater than 5. So the preceding digit should be added by 1. So it is 31. So the result should be rounded off to 2 significant digits. So in multiplication and division, you have to see the number of significant digits in the given data. In addition and subtraction, we have to see to the number of decimal points. That is the least number of decimal points in the given data. Here you have to see, in multiplication, you have to see the number of significant digits in the, that is the least number of significant digits in the given data. There you have to see the number of decimal digits. That is the least number of decimal digits in the given data. So for addition and subtraction, we are following one rule. And for multiplication and division, we are following another rule.